Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our journey of exploration into the diversity and wonders of the natural world. Today, let us immerse ourselves in the captivating tales of unique characters from the depths of the forest and the vastness of the ocean. Beneath the verdant canopy of the forest, the inquisitive cat exudes its curiosity, much like an artist eager to unravel the mysteries of the cool, verdant wilderness. Similarly, within this realm, the leopard shines with majestic authority, akin to a sovereign ruler of the ancient woodland, always ready to safeguard its territory and kin. Venturing into the aquatic realm, the crocodile embodies strength and resilience. With its sharp teeth and robust physique, it is both a shadowy predator and a responsible guardian of its territory and family. And lastly, the snail, a symbol of serenity and tranquility. Despite its slow pace, it exudes patience and meticulousness, much like an artisan crafting natural masterpieces. This diminutive serpent, with its sinuous movements and keen senses, navigates the forest floor with remarkable agility. Despite its petite stature, it plays a crucial role in controlling the population of snails, thus maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The ferret, with its lively demeanor and clever personality, is one of the most playful and energetic creatures of the forest. Particularly, they have a fondness for snails, a delicious and nutritious delicacy in the natural world. With its sturdy exoskeleton and resilient nature, the beetle embodies resilience and adaptability in the face of ever-changing environments. It scuttles through the undergrowth, a silent guardian of the forest floor, tirelessly working to maintain the delicate balance of nature. The crab, with its sturdy exoskeleton and powerful claws, reigns supreme over the sandy shores it inhabits. Leveraging its agility and strength, it not only lords over the beach, but also plays a crucial role in the marine food chain. Meanwhile, the sea turtle, with its gentle demeanor and emotive presence, symbolizes tranquility and connection to the ocean. Each journey across the sea for a sea turtle is not just an adventure, but also a vital mission in maintaining the ecological balance of the ocean. With remarkable dexterity and keen attention to detail, this intelligent bird transforms the simplest of materials into intricate abodes, meticulously weaving twigs, leaves, and feathers into a cozy sanctuary for its young. Each twig carefully selected, each leaf delicately arranged, the nest stands as a testament to the bird's craftsmanship and dedication, embodying the essence of home and security amidst the vast expanse of the forest. Please stay tuned to our program as we continue to explore more fascinating aspects of the natural world together. Thank you, and thank you all for accompanying us on this journey.